Hi guys, so I just opened 2 of these fire and ice ones. So let me.
Can you grab that?
Where's the fire and ice one? Oh.
What?
Oh no, we mixed it.
I thought Miles ate it. Holy shiza.
So
Let me open the other ones
that's the
for you
fire
so
and
you don't
ice
hurt
one,
yourself.
and that's
Oh, Marley, see? This is what hurt you. Okay, so
this
I'll
is
open it for you.
the gold glitter slime. So you guys are lucky. You guys get to see the mystery.
Holy, it is hard to open. This is not kid safe.
Good.
Is that one?
So this is so cool. So there's pineapples and the yellow one.
Are you gonna know what cap goes with which one?
Yeah.
Oh, I'm opening the mystery slime now.
No, both 2 of the one
Oh.
are not. 2 of them are
What's in there?
pineapples.
That's really cool.
There's a bunch.
Okay, there's the next one.
Wow, it's like monster
Final one.
slime. Ooh, there's some cool things.
Ice?
Yes, please. So, came across this story last night in 2004. Motley Crue were playing in Sweden. Motley Crue. They would have been not has-beens, and in other parts of the world they're actually relevant. Like the rest of the world doesn't give up on their bands fast.
Yeah.
But we do in North America. We're like, oh, what's the next thing? So they play a show, Sweden. Miss Sweden finds herself backstage, hits it off with the guitar player. 3 years later, they're married. Wait till you see them together.
What do you mean?
Well, he's 70. She's 40. When they first started dating, 2004, that's 16 years ago, he would have been my age.
52.
Yeah, and she would have been
30.
20.
Ooh.
22.
If she's 40 and you said how many years ago? 16?
So they met in 2004, and they're 30 years apart. And he's 69. Well, let's say 70 now. There's 3 pictures. Wait.
So look at this kind of mystery slime.
Oh my god. Buddy.
The Karina's pre-made mystery
No, but the
slime.
point is, what rich, famous,
And
right?
this one.
He was hideous back
This
then.
is Summer. The mystery slime. Mystery slime. And this one would be another.
So they get tested every time they go visit people.
pre-made.
Max and Kylie.
What do you mean by that? Every time they go visit?
They get a COVID test before they go visit their parents. I go, wow, you're very responsible. That's great. She goes, I'm not. Max is. She goes, so I just kind of, if he's on it, then I do it. But I would normally forget. And,
How long are you guys talking?
2 minutes.
Oh my god, you got a lot in 2 minutes.
Mommy, can you close this?
Yeah.
It's very hard.
But I can do it.
No, you can't.
Kimberly, you're gonna have to go. Oh. Wait, this doesn't go with this one.
Yeah, it does.
No, it doesn't.
Yes, it does.
No, this goes into another one. Oh, this is this.
Oh.
And then here's this.
Why do you always watch movies at nighttime?
Not always movies. Sometimes
This is so fun.
other stuff.
Miles needs love, guys. Marley, next time throw out this in the garbage. Don't just keep it on here, okay?
Okay. Hi guys. So here's Miles, the big dog. And I got marker on my eye.
Do you know what happened with Ted Cruz? Like, what's the whole deal?
Yes. Okay. So, he's
Oh.
the senator of Texas, right?
Okay.
Miles, this is too cute. It's looking at the phone. My eyes.
This is all Republican. It's been under Republican rule for like 20 years.
Bye.